If you want to raise money or start a new business, you need to know your market size. And most people will just Google it or ask ChatGPT, get a big number and move on with it. We wanted something more concrete, something you can act on based on actual data. And this is what we built. It's completely free and it's Hunter's TAM calculator. So let me show you how it works. Let's say we are a recruitment company with average contract value of $8,000 and we are operating in United Kingdom. We are specializing into financial services for small and medium-sized businesses. So right away, you get the results. We see how many companies match our ideal customer profile, and we see our total addressable market. And now let's say we want to be a bit more focused and, for example, see if we specialize in crypto company. Here we go. You can see the number drop a lot, and that's actually a good thing because now the market is very clear and your messaging can be much more focused. And one last thing, you don't just get a number, you also get the list of companies. So if you sign up, you can save them into a lead list and then just start your cold outreach in just a few clicks. And that's it. So please try it. It's completely free and let us know what you think. Have a lovely day. See you the next time.